Subject Mathematics, Standard 3rd. My name is Gauranga Karnapur. Students, today in this video, we are going to talk about a new topic, that is division. So all are ready? Yes. So let us move towards our new topic. So students, today we are going to learn about in this video, that is topic division. So students, let's start here first about making shares, making equal shares. Okay? Students, what do you see on your screen here? Yes, here are two children sitting here. Yes? This boy name is Raju and this boy name is Sanju. So students, what Raju is saying to Sanju, Sanju, my mother has given me 6 chocolates. Wow, let's share them equally. Then Sanju is telling here, wow, okay, what we will do is that you take one, then I will take one, turn by turn. Okay. So students, here you can see how many chocolates are there. Let us count that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total how many chocolates are there? 6 chocolates. Yes. What Raju is telling that his mother has given him 6 chocolates and they want to share them equally. Okay. So 6 chocolate. Yes. If they will share 6 chocolate between both of them, one will get Raju and the other will get Sanju. Like that 6 chocolate. Yes. So how many chocolate they will get? If they will share equally, one by one. Yes. One for Raju, one for Sanju. One for Raju, one for Sanju. One for Raju and one for Sanju. Yes. So 3 chocolates will get Raju and the other 3 will get Sanju. So students, so total chocolates here are 6 and if they share it equally, they will get 3 chocolates. Yes, Raju 3 chocolate, then the Sanju also get 3 chocolates. Students, here also we will see one more making equal shares sum. Students, what you can see on your screen here? Yes, here are ice cream cone. So, how many total ice creams were there here? Yes, let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, students, here are total ice creams. 6 ice creams. Okay, and they have to share equally between Riya, Priya and Seema. Okay. If students, they will share equally 6 ice creams with them, right? How many they will get? Yes, sharing equal means there are 6. Yes, so yes, very good. They will get, each of them will get 2 ice creams. Okay, one for Riya, one for Priya, one for Seema. So how many are remaining here? 3. So again we will count for Riya, for Priya, for Seema. Yes, so there are 6 ice cream, total ice cream. Okay, so 3 of them like Riya, Priya and Seema, they will get 2 ice cream. This 2 for Riya, this 2 for Priya and this 2 for Seema. So total number of ice creams 6 here. Riya will get 2, Priya will get 2 and Seema also will get 2 ice creams here. So on sharing the ice creams equally, each child will get 2 ice creams. Okay. Here now the second revision question. Okay. These are pictures of some boys and girls. Count how many children there are? There are some mangoes too. They have to be shared equally among the children. How will you do that? Students, here there are how many children? Yes, 1 minute. Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Yes, the name is Suman, Raju, Meena and Anju. Okay, students, you can see here in the box, what are they? Yes, they are mangoes here. Wow, so tasty. Fresh they are looking, yes. So let us count how many mangoes are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 mangoes. Now it will be distributed equally among 4 children. Okay. So students, how many mangoes did each child get? Yes. So there are total mangoes 8 and each child will get? Yes, 2 mangoes. Suman will get 2, Raju will get 2, Meena will get 2 and Anju also will get 2 mangoes. Student, here the next example now. Okay. Forming groups or making shares or lots. Student, how many apples were there here? Let us count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total number of apples, 6 apples, okay? Then apples in each lot means lot. This is called lot. So there are apples in each lot means how many apples are having in each lot? Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. So in each lot there are 2 apples. Okay. And now total number of lots here. Yes, so there are how many lots here? 1, 2 and 3. So there are total number of lots 3. Now the second one here. Okay. So here also how many apples were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total apple 6 apples. Okay students, now apples in each lot means how many lots are there? Yes, there are 2 lots. But each lot, how many apples were there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, apples in each lot in second picture means yes, each lot having how many apples? 3 apples. Okay. And total number of lots here? Yes, there are only 1, 2. So there is only 2 lots here. Okay. So student, here subtracting the same number again and again. Students, you can see here the boxes, there are stars. So let us count stars now here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are how many stars? Yes, there are 8 stars. From these 8 stars, we shall take away 2 every time. Okay students, we have to take away 2 every time. Okay. Now 1, 2. So we have taken away 2 here. Okay. Now let us count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are here 6 stars now. Okay. The first time we take away 2 stars from 8. Students, in the first time we take away 2 stars from the 8 stars. Okay. So how many are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So there are 6 stars here now. So 8 minus 2 is equal to, yes, 8 minus 2 is equal to how many stars left here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 stars left here. Okay, now next. The second time we take away 2 stars from 6. So second time we have to take away 2 stars. Okay, 1, 2. So how many stars are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so there are 4 stars here. Okay, the second time we take away 2 stars from the 6. Okay, students, then 6 minus 2 is equal to, yes, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So how many stars left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 stars left here. Now here, the third time we take away 2 stars from 4. Third time, students, okay? Third time we have to take away 2 here also. 1, 2. Okay? So how many stars left here? Yes, 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So how many stars left here? 1, 2. So there are 2 stars left here. Okay? The fourth time we take away 2 stars from 2. The fourth time we take away 2 stars from 2. Okay, now you have to take away 2 means from here 1, 2. So how many stars left here? Yes, so there are no stars left here. Okay, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, which means there are no stars left here in the box. In other words, 0 stars are left. So students, 4 is the means maximum number of times that we could take away 2 stars at a time from 8 stars. Okay, students? So it means that division also means taking away the same number of things again and again from a certain number of things. Okay. So student, from all this example, what we have studied now, okay, what we come to know that division means distributing things equally. Division also means making equal groups of things, and division also means taking away the same number of things again and again from a certain number of things. Okay, so students, you can see the symbol of division is here 1 dash and 2 point or 1 dash like curve line. Okay, so these two symbol were used for division signs. Okay, for example 12, then division sign, 3, then equal to sign, then 4. This we have to write. But when you will say this, like, it is read as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Students, you can see here the definition of division. The division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. So one more time I repeat, students. The definition of division is the division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. So students, now here the homework time now. Student, what we have to do is that, yes, mark the lots in the picture and complete the table. Student, you can see here the first column, total number of apples. Yes, how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total apple 8. And apples in each lot? Yes, there is one lot I have made. Okay, others you have to do. In one lot, how many apples are there? Like, yes, two apples. We have to make two apples for one lot. Okay. Okay. Here one lot with two apples. Like that you have to make. And the total number of lots. Now, how many lots you will get here? Yes, one. This two apple ka one lot, two. This two apple ka, yes, one lot, three. And this two apple ka one lot is four. Okay. So we will get here total number of lots, four. Now second come here. Same here also there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also 8 apples are there. Okay. And apples in each lot. Yes, here we have to make one lot with 4 apples. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means apples in each lot we have to make 4 apples. We have to arrange in one lot 4 apples. So here I got one lot. And how many are remaining here apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are also 4 apples are remaining. Yes. So this is the second lot here. Okay. So how many total number of lots here? Yes, one lot with 4 apple and other 4 apple with one lot. So there are 2 lots. Okay, student, what you have to do is that you have to make the table in your notebook. Yes, you will draw all those things. You will write total number of apples in each lot and total number of lots. You have to draw like this oval shape and you have to make the lot. Okay, complete it and show me by WhatsApp group. Okay, take a picture and post it in your WhatsApp group. So students, today what we have learned in this video about division, that is making equal shares. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, making equal shares. Second one, forming groups or making shares or lots. Subtracting the same number again and again. Meaning of division and definition of division. So students, in next video, same video like of division, what we are going to learn, that is about the division, about the sum. So I am going to explain you in next video, that is of division continue. Yes, the sums we are going to solve in that, and I am going to do the explanation part in that. Okay. So thank you students. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.